Tea Frutella. Today I'm gonna unbox this, and it's from Tito Lai and Tita Princess. I love you. Thank you. Let's unbox it. I'm gonna start with the big size. Here.
Move forward.
Oh, water bottle. How do you do this? Yeah. 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 Next, I can put some books here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna open this first, Mom. Like this, Mom. Like this, Mom. Let's shake it. Nothing. Wait, let's go. Don't touch this one. That's dangerous. Next.
That's for your...
Huh? That's for my. This is for my food. You can put this here. Okay. Next, macaroni. Oh no. Take this thing off. Next, here. I'm just gonna close it. Here, the bottom. Nothing at all. Oh. Next, here. Nothing at all. Ooh, macaroni. Next, here. Oh, what's this? What is this? This is just like a skirt. What's this, Mom?
Maybe it's the cover.
Mommy?
I don't know. Maybe it's the cover of the bag.
Like this? Okay. That's in the back. Oh. Nothing else. Oh.
Try it.
Huh? Okay. Look good.
Like that. No. You can use it like that, oh. Push.
Oh.
No. Come here.
Oh.
No. It has 4 wheels, oh. Like that, oh.
Okay.
So that it's not heavy.
So this is how you do it to get it in.
Use it there.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. It's not hard.
Or you can do like this.
No, that's heavy.
Or like-
Not like that. Like
Or
that.
like this.
Like that.
Oops. This carpet is blocking my way. And I like macaroni. Look at this special. It's special. It's special. And bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.